So you want to know if he's secretly in love with you. Most of the time you're told that guys are straightforward and wear their hearts on their sleeves. But what you actually get is the silent type who takes forever to text back and mysteriously forgets plans. That's not even a joke. But on the bright side, when he does remember your birthday with a random meme or offers to share his fries, it might just mean something more. If you haven't guessed by the title, spotting his hidden feelings is actually way easier than decoding his mixed signals, even if you think he's playing the ultimate hard-to-get game. All right, ladies, let's dive into the 9 unmistakable signs that he's quietly head over heels for you, but keeping it under wraps. Trust me, these clues are way more reliable than waiting for him to spill the beans during a late-night chat. Sign 1. He remembers small details about you. Number 1. He remembers the small details about you. You mentioned your favorite coffee order once? Boom! He shows up with a latte just the way you like it when you're having a rough day. It's not just about remembering your favorite drink. It's the thoughtful gestures that scream, "I care." This level of attention means he values you enough to pay close attention to even the tiniest details. Why it matters? This attentiveness reveals that he cares about what makes you unique and wants to make you feel valued. Real-life example. You once offhandedly mentioned that you love daisies, and a week later, he surprises you with a bouquet of them, just because. Little gestures like this often speak volumes. Sign 2. His body language changes around you. Number 2. His body language is different around you. Body language can often reveal hidden feelings even if he's not ready to say the words. When he's around you, does he hold your gaze just a bit longer or seem a little shy when you catch him looking? These little body language clues, like leaning in closer when you talk or mirroring your movements, suggest he's drawn to you. Key indicators: frequent eye contact, mirroring your gestures, and nervous fidgeting are classic signs he's aware of his feelings but struggling to express them. Sign 3. He finds ways to help you out. Sign 3. He finds ways to help you out. If he always seems ready to lend a hand, whether it's fixing something for you or helping with a project, it's often because he cares. This willingness to go out of his way is his way of showing he's there for you. Real-life example. Maybe he offered to pick up your favorite snack on his way to meet you, or helps you with something you mentioned you needed help with. His actions show that he's invested in making things a little easier for you. Sign 4. He finds excuses to spend time with you. Sign 4. He finds excuses to spend time with you. When a man is in love, he'll look for reasons to be around you. Even if he's busy, he'll make time to see you, indicating that your presence is important to him. Key behaviors: creating opportunities, suggesting activities. He proposes fun activities or spontaneous outings that give you both a chance to hang out together. Prioritizing you. He rearranges his schedule or makes sacrifices to be available for you, showing that you're a priority in his life. Real-life example. Maybe he suddenly remembers that your favorite coffee shop is open late and invites you for a midnight latte. Or he pops up with tickets to a weekend concert you both wanted to see. These actions clearly show that he enjoys your company and wants to be around you as much as possible. Sign 5. He compliments you frequently. Sign 5. He compliments you frequently. Compliments are a direct way to show admiration, and if he often praises you, whether it's about your appearance, skills, or personality, he's likely expressing his affection. Key behaviors: genuine praise. His compliments are sincere and specific, showing he's really paying attention. Frequent compliments. He finds opportunities to compliment you often, making you feel valued and appreciated. Real-life example. He might say things like, "You have such a great sense of style," or "I really admire how you handled that situation." These frequent compliments indicate he sees and values your unique qualities, reinforcing his hidden feelings for you. Sign 6. He pays attention to your opinions. Sign 6. He pays attention to your opinions. When a man values your thoughts and opinions, it's a strong sign of his feelings. He seeks your advice, listens intently, and respects what you have to say. Key behaviors. Active listening. He listens without interrupting, showing genuine interest in your perspective. Validation. He often agrees with your opinions or acknowledges their validity, even if he doesn't completely agree. Real-life example. During conversation, he might frequently ask for your opinion on various topics, from mundane decisions like what movie to watch, to significant issues like career choices. He values your input and considers it seriously, indicating his respect and admiration for you. Sign 7. Willingness to grow together. Sign 7. He's willing to grow together with you. In love, growth isn't just about personal development. It's a team sport. When a guy's truly smitten, he doesn't just want to better himself. He wants to do it alongside you. Key behaviors. Openness to change. He's open to making positive changes that benefit both of you. Eagerness to learn. Whether it's picking up a new hobby or embracing a healthier lifestyle, he's excited to embark on new journeys with you. Commitment to a shared journey. He's not just here for the ride. He's here to grow, evolve, and thrive together. Real-life example. Maybe he decides to join you in a yoga class or starts cooking healthier meals because he knows it's something you're passionate about. These actions show that he values what you two have and wants to build a future together, side by side. Sign 8. You catch him gazing lovingly. Sign 8. You catch him gazing lovingly at you. Sometimes it's not what we say, but what we do that speaks volumes. Your man may be shy about gushing his love, but you may find him looking at you in a new way after you've been together a while. Key behaviors. Prolonged eye contact. He holds your gaze a little longer than usual, especially during intimate moments. Puppy dog eyes. He gives you those irresistible puppy dog eyes when he thinks you aren't looking. Emotional glances. His eyes light up with emotion when you're talking or laughing together. Real-life example. You might catch him giving you a lingering look during a romantic dinner, or noticing how his eyes soften when you share something meaningful. Don't ignore these actions. Reciprocate in kind. Yes, it can be intimidating to look your lover in the eye during lovemaking, but it will help forge a lasting bond. Let him know you adore him with your own looks, giving him the confidence to express himself verbally. Sign 9. He becomes a bit more distant. Sign 9. He becomes a bit more distant. Now this might sound counterintuitive, but hear me out. Sometimes a man in love might actually become a little more distant, not because he's losing interest, but because he's grappling with his emotions and trying to make sense of them. Love can be an overwhelming emotion, especially for those who are not used to expressing their feelings openly. When a man realizes he's falling in love, it can be a bit intimidating, and he might need some time to process these emotions. Key behaviors. Temporary withdrawal. He pulls back slightly after a period of closeness to gain perspective. Emotional processing. He takes time alone to sort out his feelings before he can fully express them. Seeking balance. He needs space to understand how to integrate his deepening feelings into the relationship. Real-life example. If you notice him pulling away a bit after a particularly intimate moment, or needing some alone time after making plans together, don't panic. Give him some space and time. Remember, love isn't about constant closeness, but understanding and supporting each other's need for personal space too. Conclusion. So there you have it. 9 clear signs he's quietly in love with you and trying to keep it under wraps. The next time you notice these behaviors, take a moment to appreciate the subtle ways he's showing his affection. And remember, actions often speak louder than words. If you recognize these signs, it might be time to take the next step and see where this connection can lead.